It's day 4 at the Barcelona Open Banc Sabadell, and heavy rain drenched the otherwise meticulously groomed courts of the Club Real de Tennis. As the weather improved, spectators assembled in large numbers expecting to see their local hero and 8-time champion Rafael Nadal, who continues to hit the headlines. Defending champion Kei Nishikori was also in action, and few would argue against the top 2 seeds meeting in Sunday's championship final. Nadal had met fellow Spaniard Albert Montañez 3 times on the regular tour without the loss of a single set, and is playing with considerable confidence following his success in Monte Carlo. And in the 6th game, Nadal earned his first break point.
Nice crispy volley.
Rafa's forehand was earning him winners at an impressive pace and reached set point receiving at 5-2. In the second set, Nadal's impressive footwork and court speed were dictating play.
Then bossing the point, Nadal.
And uncoiling the forehand yet again, the former champion eased towards the finish line.
Oh, that's pretty special, considering how far back he was. That's a good day at the office for Rafa Nadal. Moves into his 10th quarter-final here in Barcelona.
Happy, yeah. I'm playing well, more or less in every aspect of my game, but there's always room to keep improving, no? And that's my work of every day, and that's my motivation of every day.
2-time champion Kei Nishikori put his 11-match tournament-winning streak on the line against Frenchman Jeremy Chardy, who had won both of their previous meetings on clay. The number 2 seed made a positive start, making his move in the 6th game.
Oh, fabulous return. A very tidy game from Nishikori, who breaks to love.
And exhibiting his fine footwork, the reigning champion took command of the opening set.
Just gets better and better from Nishikori.
Winning the first set 6-3 with his only break point. In the second, it was the forehand doing the damage. Breaking in the third game, the Japanese star maintained his advantage, using his accurate ground strokes and change of pace effectively.
It's a very intelligent point.
Nishikori dropped his serve in the 10th game, only to break straight back, serving for the match for the 2nd time.
This time gets it done. Had to fight hard towards the end of that to finish the job. He'll be delighted to move through to the last 8 here in Barcelona.
I lost my service game in 5-4. I think he played a couple good points, so I tried to focus again, and I tried to forget these couple games and try to concentrate again, and I returned really well after that. So I think I managed really well mentally.
Feliciano Lopez met Philipp Kohlschreiber in his quest to reach the quarterfinals. The pair had met 6 times previously, with the Spaniard winning their last 3 encounters. A tiebreak would decide the first set. This time the Lopez serve and backhand edging him ahead.
It's a brutal backhand as well.
So a set to the good, Lopez served at 5-6 to force a tiebreak, but a determined Kohlschreiber had other ideas.
Well, he's made it. Stunning return.
And a crucial break in the 8th game allowed the 10th seed from Germany to serve for a berth in the quarterfinals.
It's Kohlschreiber who comes out on top of this epic encounter.
So confirmation of the last 8. Russia's Andrei Kuznetsov will meet Kohlschreiber following his hard-earned victory. Nadal faces Fanini in a repeat of last year's 3rd round encounter. Benoit Paire plays Malik Jaziri from Tunisia, and Alexander Dolgopolov will compete against the defending champion Kei Nishikori. All 8 quarter-finalists will be determined to put both hands on the coveted Conde de Godó trophy at the Barcelona Open Banc Sabadell.